Hi there! You have made a terrific decision to learn how to solve one of the most common and costly problems in product development, the misalignment between what a product owner has in mind and what developers ultimately deliver. Probably you have seen the classic three-tire swing cartoon. It perfectly illustrates how the lack of communication and a structured way of expectations handover can lead to completely unacceptable outputs. As you can see, this is what the customer really needed, and this is what marketing suggested. Through each step of handover, some level of deviation is added. The next step is what management approved, then what was designed, and finally what was implemented and delivered. Something completely different from the main expectation. The result? Unhappy customers, wasted resources, and frustrated team members. Despite decades of agile practice, teams still struggle with this problem because they lack a concrete step-by-step blueprint to fix it. That's why I created this free course. I'm Mehdi Hosseini, a certified trainer with Scrum.org and over 20 years of experience in the software industry. I have faced this gap of expectation versus reality in nearly every company I have worked with. Years ago, I put a lot of energy into this problem and researched deeply to see how we could resolve it. I found it. It's not rocket science. It just needs a structured way of thinking and a method for preparing and bundling expectations to transfer the requirement aspects to developers precisely. And now, with the advent of AI, this process has become even more powerful. I have dedicated significant effort to exploring AI potential for enhancing requirement hands-off, and the result is mind-blowing. You will see exactly how. You might wonder, why do I give this course away for free? Fair thought, let me explain it. I'm a full-time trainer teaching Scrum.org's high-quality, credible courses, including their first AI course for product owners, named Professional Scrum Product Owner AI Essentials or PSPO-AI Essentials. It was my privilege to be a member of the design team for this course. This is an amazing course where you learn how to leverage AI for a new level of product management. But my competitive advantage isn't just teaching this course, but how I teach it. My students receive an exceptional experience of learning, which I have designed over the long years of running Scrum classes. It gives you long-lasting learning and an endless number of aha moments, leaving the class saying, wow. But when you see my PSPO-AI Essentials course for the first time, you don't know me. Trust must be earned, and that's my responsibility to help you earn it without any risk. Before you ever consider my paid class, you deserve a genuine taste of my teaching style through a free course. So, this is the main reason that I designed this free course, which is a solution to a serious, painful problem, a tangible learning that you can use immediately. This free course is a practical guide on how to use AI to transfer feature specs to developers with precision. I am giving you real value upfront. My transparent hope is that this builds the trust you deserve, respects your right to evaluate my expertise, and gives you a compelling reason to ultimately join my full PSPO-AI Essentials class. One last thing. If you enjoyed this free course, please share it with your colleagues and friends. I think everything is clear now. So, let's get to work.